We are DBL Group, a vertically integrated textile and apparel manufacturing enterprise with diversifications ranging from apparel to accessories, packaging, ceramic tiles, to pharmaceuticals, and even sports, on spreading happiness for people and our customers. Our spinning unit is well equipped with advanced technologies that help produce 25 tons of yarns per day. We have introduced melange yarn unit that also produces 10 tons per day. The 16 tons per day capacity synthetic yarn unit is nearly ready for production. The knitting factory uses latest technology, energy-efficient machinery and environment-friendly production process. We have our independent and well-resourced lab facility at Textiles Testing Services Limited. The newfangled machineries ensure high-quality dyeing and finishing of products with 130 tons dyeing capacity per day. Our all-over printing facility has a capacity of 20 tons per day, which is one of a kind in Bangladesh. At DBL, we just don't talk about nature. We look after it. We have set up one of the most efficient biological effluent treatment plants in Bangladesh to minimize adverse effects to nature, to make the world a better place for all. Our up-to-the-minute fashion lines of knit garments have created a market niche around the globe, producing 9 million pieces per month. Covering the regions of Africa, North and South America, Europe, Asia and Oceania, we are among the largest knit garment manufacturers and exporters of Bangladesh. DBL Garment Printing Division is enriched with a wide range of variety and latest technologies. Our state-of-the-art washing machineries, accessories and packaging units are happily serving you with one-stop solution. We are introducing global standard eco-friendly sewing thread, dyed yarn and dyed fiber. With an aim to export to the US, European, African and Middle Eastern countries from Ethiopia, DBL Group is setting up an integrated textile and garment factory in the name DBL Industries PLC in Ethiopia. At DBL, we focus on sustainability. DBL's sustainability is based on 5 pillars: people, process, product, community and environment. thereby having a holistic approach towards environmental and social impacts. We have a wide range of programs focusing on women empowerment, process efficiency, community education, water and energy saving, and so on. Being a signatory of the UN Global Compact, DBL regularly publishes sustainability report as per the Global Reporting Initiative. The Global Compact has already recognized DBL's contribution to the Sustainable Development Goals. Our initiative Bandhan Fair Price Shop is providing a platform that provides daily necessity commodities to workers at a subsidized rate, and that too on credit. It is a zero cash shop. Transactions taking place here are adjusted with workers' monthly salary. At Bandhan, the employees can find 368 items from their daily necessary list. Bandhan has earned DBL a membership in the Business Call to Action BCTA, a global platform of the UNDP on inclusive and sustainable business. Free medical center facilities in every unit of DBL factories are well equipped with qualified doctors, pathology, operation theatre and pharmacy. Trained and compassionate professionals assure proper care and happiness of children in all daycare centers. We care for our future generation through Employee Children Education Scholarship and Career Path Counseling programs. We conduct Workers' Participation Committee meetings in alternate months to ensure workers' rights that enable them to be engaged with the overall process, and thus they contribute more. 84 quality control circles consisting of 415 personnel guarantee high standard of productions. They also participate in National Annual Quality Convention NAQC and International Convention on Quality Control Circles ICQCC regularly and have won awards in several occasions. Our Employee of the Month EOM Award recognizes the efforts of our employees. Building structure and fire safety is in top priority index at all the premises. Moreover, we have signed a MOU with GIZ and Bangladesh Fire Service and Civil Defence to build a mini fire brigade to support any fire incident within Kashimpur Industrial Cluster. We conduct monthly Central Compliance Committee meetings to review and resolve allied issues. We are very happy to work with our knowledge partners on strengthening our sustainability pillars. Visionaries of DBL Group, the Board of Directors believe that commerce is an ongoing dialogue with life and happiness, and they are involved with various philanthropic initiatives for betterment of the community. DBL Group has been awarded for excellence in business, social and environmental sustainability, which has carved out a unique position for itself in Bangladesh and international markets. The group is developing a diversified portfolio and has stepped into the ceramic industry. DBL Ceramics Limited is one of the foremost ceramic tiles industries in Bangladesh. The company is also expanding its horizon up to pharmaceuticals and also launched its dredging business concern named DBL Dredging Limited, to put valuable contribution towards the dredging and excavating needs of Bangladesh. We are proud to say that the 24,295 team members of DBL Group have achieved a massive turnover of $365 million during 2015-16 fiscal year. Continuous learning and development, employee engagement, talent management and empowerment are the keystones for the group's sustainability that make employees feel a part of the group's success journey. DBL is committed to customer satisfaction and makes visible contribution to economic growth of the country. We all are happy only when our customers and people smile from every corner of the globe. DBL Group, crafting happiness since 1991.